Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Hermès Luck Build Charm. I think that's what it's called. It's a money clip, and it's in the shape of a horseshoe. I got this shipped. Comes with this. All right, let's do this. That's what the packaging looks like. Nice ribbon. Okay, not a bad unboxing. Here's the packaging. Feels good. Little scuffed over there, but that's okay. All right. What's this? Accessories, money clip. Thank you for choosing this Hermès money clip. It will retain its beauty lesser over time with a little care. Oh man, you get to carry this? Simply wipe where it is off. Alright, that's fine. To use it, gently slip your banknotes between the two metallic parts. Never lift the top part, as this can deform the product and alter its spring effect. Store accessory, and it has a pouch. Original box in order to prevent damage. Yo, that's sick. Okay. So, never lift the top part. Gently slip the banknotes in. Okay. Oh, so you fold your banknotes in. Fold your banknotes, slide it in. Got it. Let's check this out. Alright, that's cool. They're inclusive, have a ton of different languages. Set this aside. What? There's a pouch. Let's go. You can tell I'm not used to unboxing fancy designer stuff like this. This is a sick pouch, yo. Oh, that's sick. It's nice. It's good quality. It's really good quality. All right, here we go. Our new good luck money clip. Wow. Wow. Look at this. Can you see? That's the logo up here. Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, demo. Hopefully I do this right. All right, let's see. In the demo, it was gently slip. Gently slipping. Boom. Horseshoe Hermès money clip. Pretty sick, pretty sick, pretty sick. All right, cool. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Catch you in the next unboxing video. Later.